What's your name?
My name's Andrew, and this is Rocky.
Rocky. What makes your act different?
Our agility.
We wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Rocks, rocks, rocks. Rocks. Turn round. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up you come. Down there. Wait. Wait. Rocks. In. In. Come on. Rocks. Wrong way. Come on. Rocks. Hey, Rocky. Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Come on. Come on. Rocky. Come on. Come on, Rocks. And up. Rocks. Rocks. Hey.
Sorry, hello, it's over.
Oh, well, I tried.
Do you have any comments, Simon?
Potentially one of the worst animal acts we've ever had on Britain's Got Talent.
You're like a very old, unmagical Harry Potter.
Spot on. That'll do me.
Let's vote.
Unfortunately, it's a no.
It's a no from me.
No today.
4 no's. Thank you, nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.